Alright guys, just wanted to make another quick video on Moss Carbon MCO2 just to show you the action for the last few hours and basically where we are now. So we've whipped up to just above 15.3 and had a slight sell-off back test. We didn't quite make it back to 11.16, 11.17, which is great to see. But what we're doing now is we're basically at a significant level of support resistance on the Fibonacci, and if we take it to the minute, it looks like we've made a little break above. Haven't gone for a run yet, but it does look like following the break above, we're having a little back test. Now, we had this earlier within the last hour where we made it above. It basically shows promise that it wants to go higher. And then it's fallen into a little consolidation pattern. Had a little back test, wasn't successful. Had a few more attempts within minutes, and since then we have had a very straight consolidation pattern, and we had some good volume come into the token. Not monumental like we have seen historically, but this is green, and as you can see, we've just broken above the 13.15 area, and it looks like this is about to go. If this doesn't go from here, we are probably going to tail back to $11. Now, guys, I have to say that 10% drops on any other token would normally take like a few hours, but this thing pumps and dumps within minutes. So if we don't launch from here, it's not financial advice, but this could be an area to possibly pull some profits and look at an entry point circa or sub $11. So I'm going to be watching this one for the next few minutes to see what happens. I think if we see a nice injection of volume, we will have a good run. Realistically, up to and hopefully beyond 15.11. That is a really significant point for us, and I'll just bring us out to the daily to show you why. I've just fibbed this one in both directions. And yeah, as such, we have got significant support and resistance circa around the 0.5, and then at 382, and then onwards and upwards. But yeah, just to say, it's a pivotal moment. This will be the make or break for today's run, in my opinion. I think if following like 1, 2, and now the third attempt to get above, find some support and build a little foundation. If we don't launch, we're going to come back down. And as you can see, we've barely touched this resistance zone, and every time we have, we've been held back, consolidated down, consolidated sideways. So yeah, this could be a move. You can probably sense the excitement in my voice. I love it when volatile tokens like this are looking bullish, because you never know where they're going to stop. But with this one, just to say where it could realistically stop, if it does break above, again, we've got the 15.15, so I'd be looking at probably taking some profits at around 15. If we fly through there, we're looking no less than 16.90, and then beyond there we've had a level of resistance at 18.85, and then as you all know, we like to get up to the 20s, and I don't think that with the volume that's come into the token just now, we're going to get back up to 21.66. But who's to say? This could be the start of a move. There could be a lot of people watching, and if this one takes off, it might see a load of fresh investment, and we could actually finally make it above and beyond the 21 zone. So I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be, as much as I'm sure you'd love to watch along and enjoy the price action with me. We're currently sitting at 13.30, and I think as long as we hold above, where am I going to say, 13.08. So as long as we hold and maintain above 13.08, we should have a nice little launch out of here. If not, we're going to be tailing back towards 11. So if we hold below, we're going to tail off back. I'm going to mark that red, because I don't think that's going to play out. I think we're about to go, and if we manage to hold above, we'll see something like that. I'm going to mark that green. And now I've predicted an up or down. What could happen is we just consolidate sideways. But I'm going to delete that because I don't see it happening. Alright, best of luck. Hope you've liked and subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one.